Old Lou! Changji, is that Old Lou back?
How is he back so soon?
Old Lou, did you get the money?
No.
Something's wrong. The apocalypse is coming early.
What the hell? Coming early?
Nothing. Didn't expect Old Lou to get the money so fast. So, as agreed, you can let us go now. Run.
This kid's lost his mind, seeing ghosts in broad daylight, running like that. What's going on?
Changji. Look behind him.
What? What are those things?
Run.
We just made it.
Shangyang, why did you run so fast, all of a sudden?
If we didn't run fast, we'd be dead.
Shangyang. What is this?
The apocalypse has begun.